Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna be talking about a beautiful indoor plant that's none other than cyclamen. These beautiful plants are native to Mediterranean regions or some parts of Europe or West Asia, and they are often found in cool shaded woodland area. The good news is that they are perennial and they are popular for their beautiful, uniquely shaped flowers and distinctive foliage. And if you closely observe this plant, you would notice that the maximum times the leaves are either heart shaped or round shaped with some silver marbling patterns. The amazing thing about this plant is that they have tubers and the leaves emerge from the tubers. And if you closely observe the flowers, you would notice that they have petals that sweep upwards, which resemble the shape of a butterfly wing, which is great. And they come in different shades like pink, red, lavender, and white. You may notice these flowers blooming from September to May, and they typically go dormant during summer, but they come back in the fall. And the care tips are really simple. All you need to do is just find a beautiful spot in your home where this plant can receive a lot of bright indirect light. Avoid keeping this plant in direct sun as it can scorch the leaves and your plant or the flowers would wither. And the second thing is that you can only kill this plant by overwatering. Here is a point to remember that these plants are grown from tubers and they are really delicate. So if you dump a lot of water while watering your plant, then it's definitely gonna cause the root rot and your plant might not survive. So always check the soil before watering and do not water on its leaves or on flowers. Just water around the roots. And remember, always use an organically rich, well-draining potting soil with slightly acidic pH for your cyclamen. And here is another point to remember, that your cyclamen plants go dormant during the summer, which is essentially their sleeping time, or you might say that they hibernate or they just rest. So to ensure their health during this time, you should snip off the leaves and refrain from watering them until fall arrives. So during summer, place your plant in a cooler location to keep them healthy, and do not water them at all during the whole summer. So that's how you can keep your plant going, and once the fall arrives, you start back to watering and you would notice small new leaves will start to come out. And another important thing for caring this plant is to avoid over fertilizing it, as it does not require too much fertilizer. However, you can use any fertilizer that contains low nitrogen, and that's it. Also keep in mind that these plants are slightly toxic to humans and pets. So if you have little kids or pets around, avoid keeping this plant close to them. And that's it. The care tips are really simple for cyclamen plants. Avoid overwatering, avoid over fertilizing, don't disturb them during summer, and avoid keeping them in too much heat or in hot temperatures. Find a nice cool place, and these plants will thrive beautifully in your home. So that's it. And thank you so much for watching this video. If it was helpful, give this a like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay happy and happy planting.